Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys doing great. Today I am going to tell you about our immunity and the food which boost our immunity. Friends, in this present situation, it is most important to take care of our health. Your immunity is your strength to keep you going on. You might not realize it, but it is definitely plays an important role to make your body work. Hence, keeping it boosted and stronger can help you defeat any health risk. Friends, there are some ways which helps to boost your immunity. A healthy balanced diet plays a vital role in staying well. The first thing is consuming fruits and green vegetables. While we live in a fast-paced life, we often reach out to fast foods or unhealthy foods and tend to ignore the power of fresh fruits and green vegetables. Green vegetables are a part of plant-based protein which are enriched with vitamins, minerals and antioxidants. So, including leafy greens such as spinach, broccoli to your diet strengthens your immunity. Spinach and broccoli can help you to provide a healthy gut to boost your immunity and regulate it. The first one is spinach. It may boost the immune system as it contains many essential nutrients and antioxidants, including flavonoids, carotenoids, vitamin C and vitamin E. Vitamin C and E can help to support immune system. The researchers also indicates that flavonoids may help to prevent the common cold in otherwise healthy people. Maximum benefits from spinach is by eating it raw. So, cook as little as possible to preserve nutrients. The second one is broccoli. Broccoli is a good source of fiber, protein, iron, potassium, calcium, selenium and magnesium, as well as vitamins such as A, C, E, K, and a good array of B vitamins, which includes folic acids. For these reasons, it is a good choice of vegetables to eat regularly to support your immune system strong. Apart from green leafy vegetables, fresh fruits such as citrus fruits, which contain the power of vitamin C, can help to keep your immune system strong. The fruits like oranges, kiwi and lemon are an excellent source of vitamin C. Vitamin C, which is the vitamin that many people turns to when they feel a cold developing. They are also rich in fiber. Vitamin C may reduce the duration of common cold symptoms and improve the function of the human immune system. So friends, daily intake of vitamin C is essential for good health because your body does not produce or store vitamin C. It increases the production of white blood cells which are key to fighting infections. The second one is practicing yoga or a small walk can improve your immunity. Taking a small walk can help you to stay energetic and active throughout the day. And also practicing yoga on a regular basis can help to boost your immune system. Yoga can help your body cells to remain healthy even when stressed. The third one is reduce your stress. Your body does a better job fighting off illness and healing wounds when it is not under stress. Stress leads to various health risks such as heart problem, depression and high blood pressure. The key way to reduce your stress level is to stop overthinking and start meditating. Meditate for at least 30 minutes every day to give your mind some peace. You can read some books, doing exercises and spending some quality time with your family to stay away from stress. Friends, the fourth one is consume enough proteins. The thumb rule to build up strong immunity is to eat a nutritious meal. The key nutrients to be incorporated into your diet is protein. Proteins are considered to be the building block of the body and the muscles, which helps you to maintain a healthy lifestyle. Some of the protein-rich foods are lean chicken, fish, low-fat yogurt, milk, cheese, seeds, nuts and eggs. So friends, here are some protein-rich foods. Let us talk about chicken soup. When someone is fighting with a cold or flu, homemade chicken soup is a good remedy. It is also great for keeping you hydrated when you are not feeling well because it is filled with electrolytes. The second one is fish. Fish is a low-fat, high-quality proteins. It is filled with omega-3 fatty acids and vitamins D and B2. The third one is dairy products. Dairy products like milk, yogurt, cheese are very helpful to maintain a good health. Yogurt is a great source of vitamin D, B12, calcium and minerals necessary for healthy teeth and bones. It boosts our body natural defenses against diseases. So friends, drinking milk and using dairy products may prevent osteoporosis and bone fractures and even help you to maintain a healthy weight. The fourth one is eggs. These are rich sources of selenium, vitamin D, B6, B12 and minerals. Egg yolks contain more calories and fats. They are a source of fat-soluble vitamins A, B, E, K and lecithin. So try to include a boiled egg in your regular diet. The fifth one is sprouts. Sprouts are super healthy when eaten raw or cooked. There are more health benefits when you include sprouts in a diet. Sprouts alkalize the body and protect it from disease including cancer. Friends, try to include sprouts in your regular diet. It may keep your health good. So friends, without your health, you have got nothing going on. I thank God every day for good health. Always eat healthy and take care of your health. Eat healthy and stay fit. Hope you like this video. For more videos, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.